Jai Jinendra. I'm Dr. Manju Jain from Bhaktambar Healing and Research Foundation. And thank you, Jaina, for inviting me as a speaker in Bhaktambar. Bhaktambar is 48 magical tools for manifestation, and it is a passion for me. I've been working on it since more than a decade, and I've got amazing results. There are like 48 shlokas on health, wealth, education, and almost 50% of shlokas have been tried and tested. Research work has been done. 26 PhDs have been done under my guidance on various shlokas, because Dr. Meher Moose, the Vice Chancellor of Zoroastrian College affiliated with the United Nations, wanted me to work on all 48 shlokas. She said there should be PhD on each shloka, so that in future everyone knows which shloka is for what purpose, what is the significance, what is the methodology, and what are the results. So recently Jaya Rakhecha ji from Supreme Court, a lawyer from Supreme Court, she started working on 33 number shloka, which says it is very good for controlling fever. So she worked on 85 case studies of corona, COVID, and who had slight temperature and their oxygen level had gone to 75. And she started working with 33 number shloka. And Mandar Sundar Nameru Suparijata Santanakadi Kusmotkar Krishti Ruddha Gandod Bindu Shub Manda Marut Prapata Divya Divaha Pattite Vachasam Tatirva. And the moment she chanted this shloka with them, this says that they would be falling of flowers from the cosmos whenever anybody would be engrossed in divine. So same way she was chanting these mantras with COVID patients, and their fever came down from 102 to 98, and their oxygen level rose from 75 to 96, and she was very happy seeing patients recover from COVID without taking any antibiotics or Remison. And Suraj Bardia, who is president of Tera Pantha National, she has done PhD on 24 number shloka, which says it is a cure for migraine. And she started working. She worked on nearly 100 case studies, and she has found that this is very good. This shloka is like a stress buster. The moment you chant it and you are like stress free in this world where everyone is full of stress, whether they are rich, poor, or they are working with so much of work pressure, everyone is full of stress. So the moment you chant this 24 number shloka, peace, tranquility, serenity always comes down. Whenever you chant any shloka, especially when you chant the shloka of health, which is a wellness tool, which is a preventive medicine touching 6 elements spirituality. In US they say we do not want any cure, we just want something which does not make us ill. We just want some wellness tool, we want some preventive medicine. My sister-in-law, who's working with the public health department in US, she is from Harvard, she says they don't want any treatment, they just want something which is a preventive medicine so that they do not fall ill. And your Bhaktambar comes in 6th element, which means spirituality. Like first there is physical element, then mental element, then social element, and so many things. So this Bhaktambar comes in spiritual element. And when I went to Dublin Psycho-Oncology World Congress, My presentation was on 400 breast cancer patients and on working on them as preventive medicine. We had used a fear of recurrence scale, and we could measure that those who were chanting Bhaktambar, those who were chanting Bhaktambar, they did not.
उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचां दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजोऽमृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्यां भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचां दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजोऽमृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्यां भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचां दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजोऽमृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्यां भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचां दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजोऽमृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्यां भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः.
So, good morning, friends. Thank you, Jena, for inviting me as speaker. And I'm very happy to present you 48 shlokas of Bhaktambar, the power of Bhaktambar. So I'll start with the first shloka, which says all your disturbances are destroyed, and everyone has to imagine themselves sitting in dome of Bhaktambar. These are 48 magical domes wherein you will sit and visualize the yantra, the mantra, and you will manifest whatever you want. So these are mounted on mushroom pillars and they are beautiful domes. So you will be chanting shloka while I'll narrate the attributes of shloka. So first we move to first number shloka. Bhaktamara pranatamo nimani prabhanam buddhyotakam dalita papatamo vitanam samyak pranamya jinapadayugam yugada balam vanam bhavajale patatam jananam. So this shloka says that all the deities are bowing with deep devotion in lotus feet of Lord Adinath. Acharya Manatungacharya is fully absorbed at the feet of God with folded hands and chanting. और उसने बिटिया ने बनाया है.
इसका बर्थडे है क्या आज? बर्थडे है आपका?
नहीं आपके सम्मान में बनाया.
अच्छा. तो ये अनामिका के लिए बनाया है केक. तो गाओ बेटा, आप गाओ अनामिका के लिए कुछ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Anamika. Happy birthday to you. ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ती रहोगी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आपका आशीर्वाद रहेगा तो बिल्कुल आगे जाएंगे, बहुत आगे जाएंगे।
सबका आशीर्वाद।
और दीदी का हाथ यहाँ है, यहाँ बस।
बहुत इनको लगन है, लगन मक्तांबर की लगन ऐसी। इनके लिए 2 लाइन गाऊंगी। उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भार भूम्या शोचं दशामुपगता शतजीविताशा त्वत्पादपङ्कज रजो मृतदेहा मर्त्या भवन्ति मकर ध्वजतुल्यरूपा। ॐ नमो भगवती शुद्रोपद्रव शान्तिकारिणी लोकशोकशमनं शान्तिं कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं भगवते भीषणहराय नमः।
उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचां दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजो मृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्या भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचां दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजो मृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्या भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचां दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजो मृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्या भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः उद्भूत भीषण जलोदर भारभूघ्नः शोचं दशामुपगताच्युत जीविताशः त्वत्पादपङ्कजरजो मृतदिग्धदेहा मर्त्या भवन्ति मकरध्वजतुल्यरूपः।
Focuses on various aspects of our life, and when we master over these shlokas by chanting with a very committed heart, mind and soul, we can materialize things. We can materialize it like magic. So these domes are actually created with that concept, wherein you can sit in individual domes and you can meditate and materialize what you want to achieve in life. This is actually coming up in Nagpur, because as you know, Nagpur is heart of the country. It is 0 mile of India, and it is wonderfully connected by railroad and air. And not to mention, Dr. Manju Jain, she resides in Nagpur, and she is actually regarded as Bhaktamar ki Guru Ma. She was the first person to get PhD in Bhaktamar, and now tons of people, including me, are working under her as PhD students. And she has created a very strong team of devotees and healers from Nagpur who are strongly committed towards the cause. So that will really help us to achieve this cause very fast. And it is coming up on a 16-acre plot which has got a beautiful strategic location. It is near in Asia's biggest Godewara National International Zoo and Ambedkar Museum for Cultural Heritage, and also in between St. Joseph Convent School and Millennium School. So the location is so strategic that we expect people to just walk in, but when they walk out, they're different altogether, because when they walk in, they have their own level of consciousness, but when they're walking out, their consciousness will be at a much higher level, and they'll be committed towards achieving their worldly as well as spiritual desires. And this whole creation is as per the guidance and blessings of 108 Sant Shiromani Acharya Shri Vidyasagar Ji Maharaj and 108 Samay Sagar Ji Maharaj. It is totally their blessings and their guidance with which this beautiful creation, which is going to be a state of the art creation of the world, is going to come up really soon. Now, we just want to show you what it is going to be like. Like, there will be 48 domes, each dome representing each shloka. So there are 24 domes at the bottom most level, then 12 domes in the 16 domes in the middle level, and 8 domes on the top. And in the center, you can see this idol. This is the idol of Acharya Mangtung Ji, who is actually the creator, and it's a beautiful story. I'm not sure whether you know about it, that Acharya Mangtung was tied in chains by one king, and he was tied, and he was kept in jail, which had 48 locks. So he started writing shlokas, and each shloka he wrote on Bhaktamar, one lock got broken. So in this manner, he created 48 shlokas, and 48 locks got broken. So basically, this shows that the power of these shlokas is so high, and it is so powerful that he didn't have knife or whatever to break that lock, but with that power, with the electromagnetic radiation, like, because you understand electromagnetic radiation, but it is like energy vibrations.